So you're the first student that's ever been on the show.
Yep.
So I brought you in specifically because you're an eighth grader. I know you're one of our student athletes here at Cameron, and you play basketball, correct?
Yep.
So how long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing basketball since I was 3 years old.
Okay. But you're new to Cameron, correct?
Yeah, this is my second year.
Second year.
Yep.
So you've had two new coaches. You had Coach Wilson and then Tyrese.
Yeah.
What's the biggest difference between their coaching philosophies?
Ooh. I feel like I wouldn't say Tyrese is more like a laid back coach. Tyrese is obviously always on us, but I feel like Jamil. That's a great question.
You can be honest. I mean, this is bowling alley. Like we speak the truth in here. So
I feel like Jamil would maybe be able to like make better changes on the fly, or some of his plays were a little bit better than Tyrese's. Sorry, Tyrese, but Tyrese is he knows how to get into like certain actions, but Jamil was maybe like a better change of plays like on the go, like if we needed something, like he knew what to draw up. So does Tyrese. I feel like just Jamil was better at that.
So like in the middle of a play,
Yeah.
or if they switch defenses on you all,
Yeah. He can make an
Jamil-
adjustment.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What's the biggest thing you've learned from your two coaches at Cameron?
The biggest thing I've learned, obviously, I would probably say because they both played point guard. I feel like they just taught me to, I guess you could say not be selfish, really. Be a leader. Be a leader, really. That's the main thing. They both taught me being a leader.
So what is it like? Because you're a student athlete, and obviously student comes before athlete.
Right.
What have you learned from your experience on the court that translates into the classroom, and they can also go from the classroom to the court?
Classroom to the court. Like another, being a leader. I feel like if you're a leader in the classroom, that'll translate to the court. If you're goofing around in class, I don't know if you could be really that much of a leader on the court. So I feel like they both translate.
Do you think that you're going to continue playing next year in high school?
Yeah, I will.
Where are you going?
Most likely Ballard.
Most likely?
Ballard. Nah, we already got it on, so we're going to Ballard.
So
Ballard.
You're going to Ballard.
Yeah.
And I know you're playing. You're playing up right now, correct?
Yeah.
Are you playing freshman, JV, and varsity over there?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the biggest difference between middle school basketball, freshman basketball, JV basketball, and if you got into any varsity games?
Middle school, the difference is probably guys are a lot stronger and guys are faster. Middle school, I feel like there's a couple guys that are like strong and fast, but like most of the guys in middle school aren't as strong as the high schoolers. So that was one of the biggest challenges, just trying to get stronger, because I know a lot of guys are stronger than me in high school.
You ever get nervous?
Not really. Last year, I'm gonna be honest, in a couple games I was a little nervous, but this year, no.
If say it's Thursday night, 8th grade night here at Cameron.
Yeah.
Say it's a tie game. Who on your team do you want to go take that final shot or hit that free throw to win the game?
Me. Besides myself?
Yeah. If you
Besides myself,
yeah.
I would say me first, and then it either between, I'd probably say Waddy.
Okay.
Waddy.
So another 8th grader.
Yeah.
What's your favorite position to play? What's your favorite
Point guard.
So you
Point
like
guard.
being in charge? You like
Yeah.
What's best defense? Man to man or zone?
Me personally, I like to play zone, but like it's just depending on the team. My favorite zone to run is the best zone that we've ran is probably either a 1-3-1 or a 1-2-2, most likely.
And if you were the coach,
Yeah.
if you were the coach, what would be something that you would change from what Tyrese has got in that you would do instead?
Less running in practice.
Like everybody needs to run. Like
Yeah, I would make our team run, but like Tyrese makes us run a little too much.
But
So
I'm talking like on the court. Like would you change? What would you do? Like would you run more?
I would switch up our defense more. He switches up the defense, but like I feel like we could run like press actions and then like man press it and just like I would just switch up the defense a lot.
Okay. Now I have to ask, and this is gonna be a touchy subject.
All right.
A couple months ago, you ended up on some Instagram pages getting cooked by another 8th grader whose dad, is a former basketball player. So is little Rondo the real deal, or was?
He's a very good player. He didn't cook me though. I think he had like 1 bucket on me.
But he cooked Ballard.
He cooked, but okay, yeah, you could say that.
And you were on that team.
Okay.
And the reason why I say you got cooked is because I saw you on some of those Instagram videos.
Yeah, but
where your hands went up and.
Yeah, he had a tough layup on me. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, so I'm just curious, like.
Yeah, he's a very good player for sure.
Do you try to learn from players that are better from you, or do you like?
Of course, sometimes I mean, like if I like, I really wouldn't say like somebody's better than me. But like if I, see something that a player does better than me, like I might try to study and see how they do it and what they do differently from me.
And since you play high school basketball, I mean, this might maybe another tough question. Who do you think is the best team in the state? Honestly,
Ballard.
Do you really think Ballard is going to?
We have a high chance of winning state, in my opinion.
Is everybody healthy again, like and back eligible again?
Yep.
Or do you also have players still sick?
No, everybody's eligible.
So, do you not think? And it pains me to say this because I went to Trinity. Do you not think St. X is the best team in the state?
No, I feel like we play. I think if we beat Manual today, we'll play St. X, and I mean I think we could beat them. We have a high chance.
Is this a tournament right
LIT,
now?
yeah.
LIT.
Yeah.
So you think so you all possibly maybe go into Rupp. We'll see.
Yeah, I feel like we have a high chance.
All right, you follow much college basketball?
A little bit, yeah.
Or NBA?
Yeah.
Who's the best player in the NBA? Is it Jordan or LeBron?
LeBron.
Why?
I think he's leading in points. He has. I mean, my thing was he was leading in points, and he was like the youngest person to get like I think 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. MJ has him on rings though. I would say that he's a better winner, but LeBron's a little crybaby.
But LeBron didn't go to college. So
LeBron didn't.
Because I like my generation, Jordan's the greatest of all time.
Right? Yeah, for sure.
So LeBron got to skip college, so he got an extra 4 years or 3 years of playing NBA. Whereas Jordan went to North Carolina, did his thing there, and then went to the NBA. And Jordan never asked to get traded. Like he never said, "Build a team around me." Like he made everybody
better.
Yeah. So I think your all's generation needs to get off this LeBron is the greatest of all time. Yeah. But I do agree that he is a big crybaby.
He does cry a lot. So flops too.
He does flop. He's a flopper. I hope you don't try to copy his game. So, do you think if you could challenge any teacher in the building in a game of horse, who would you play? Like, who do you think would bring the most competition?
Most competition, the teacher? Yeah. Not is Coach Tyrese? No. Okay, I would probably say, Mr. Maybe you, maybe Mr. Bowling, maybe Mr. Bowling.
We should set that up and.
Yeah, we should.
I know we played before.
Yeah.
But I think if I was well prepared.
Yeah.
And we could actually make that a video. That'd be. Like,
horse,
like live stream it.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
But I think I would beat you this time. Horse is different. And then, whose ankles would you like to break crossing them over? Like who would you take to the who do you want to posterize?
Who would I want to posterize?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Miss Hackney?
No, Tyrese.